unboxing of a Hurricane filter for a Proton Persona. It's stainless steel, and the idea behind it is that it will replace the OEM air filter in the car. It comes in this big box, a little bit oversized. It was sent by DHL from a company called Auto Shopper. I'll put a link in later. And this is basically it. As you can see, it's made of very high grade stainless steel and a very strong and flexible rubber mounting. The idea behind this is that you buy one and it lasts for a lifetime, and also that the filtration allows in more air while not compromising the idea of the filter. So more efficiency, more power, etc. With the added bonus that you can clean it every now and again with soap and water, and even with a hose, and then you can clean all the dirt off and just dry it out. But that's basically it. It cost me about $45 US, which is more expensive than the normal air filter, but then again I don't have to replace it, and I feel this is probably a bit more secure. Later on I'll make another video which will show how to apply it into the filter cartridge in the car, in the airbox. Thank you for watching.